Welcome back. We now move on to news from sports. The second edition of Vasco Sports Club's annual Goa River Marathon will be held on Sunday morning. The event has generated tremendous interest amongst the athlete fraternity from the state as reputed national and international marathon runners participate in the main event of 21-kilometer race. The event will start and finish at Baina Beach. The Goa River Marathon carries total prize money of 6 lakhs rupees.
The Goa River Marathon came into existence last year. The fine response to this event has spurred on the organizers Vasco Sports Club to make it bigger and better this year with increased prize money. Celebrity Gul Panag has endorsed Goa River Marathon and continues to do so. Marathon running is one of the most demanding sports disciplines and takes a lot of modern equipment to meet the challenges. A sports expo over the last 3 days in Vasco displayed the various sports products. Participants collected their kits and got their running speed checked with the help of these gadgets. The timings of the individual marathon runners can be known from the radio frequency chips, and this is how it works.
Every person is allocated an individual chip. When the person comes to that RFID radio frequency location, the chip code it will be taken by the man, and using some instruments we will be taking the chip code, and that will be the starting point, and we will be using splits so that we will be placing these mats at different points. In the sense, we will be placing this at 10 kilometers, 15 kilometers, so that we can, using this technology, we can find out an individual how much fast he is running, what is the time he is consuming for running the particular distance.
A group of Kenyan runners are in Vasco to compete in the race. Some of them were so confident that they even told a hotel that they will pay the rent from the prize money on Sunday.
How confident you are to winning the tomorrow's Goa River Marathon?
Tomorrow I'm 13, tomorrow I'm the winner.
You will be the winner?
Yeah.
You are confident?
Yeah, confident.
Elaborate traffic arrangements have been chalked out by the organizers, and the public is requested to adhere to these plans. With bureau inputs, our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Bollywood celebrity Gul Panag has praised Vasco Sports Club for being completely community-driven in organizing Goa River Marathon. Gul, who is the glamorous face of this annual event, believes that the Goa River Marathon can come up to world-class standard in the future.
Gul Panag interacted with the Goa River Marathon participant and media on Saturday evening in Vasco. Gul told TV partners Prudent Media that she is happy to do her bit for the success of Goa River Marathon.
Well, I believed in the vision of the Vasco Sports Club. They really appeared to be very, very passionate. They were making a start. It was not easy for them to put together the event they put together, but their effort was really touching to see that they really had a vision to make this into, like you said, a world-class event. And I think that's what touched me, and I said, I'd love to come and support you in whatever way I can. And if my being here at this event can bring a couple more people into running, then I'm happy to do it again and again.
There are already 2,000 entries for the 5-kilometer run, which is something quite interesting because this is where the locals can participate and the sports buffs, fitness buffs can participate. They're hoping that your presence over here might take that number to 3,000. So a word to the Goans to call them, because while this goes on air tonight, they'll be quite interested and they might want to participate in the fight.
Well, I'd like to tell all the Goans and residents of Vasco, come join us in the 5K fun run and have a great time. It's a great way to be fit.
Our reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Sushant Par from Vasco.
Rising star Amog Desai has scored another century in Cooch Behar under-19 cricket. Amog scored 110 runs in Goa's first innings against Rajasthan on the third day of the match at Porvorim ground. Amog had also scored a fine century in the last match against Bihar in Vasco.
Resuming at the overnight score of 67 for 2, Goa made steady progress on the third day in reply to Rajasthan's total of 550 runs. Opener Amog Desai started his day on 30 runs and continued his fine form to score second consecutive 100. Amog was eventually out for 110 runs, which included 18 boundaries. Goa reached 213 runs for loss of 4 wickets in 83 overs. Our sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with reporter Sham Sundar Fatte from Parvari.
And with this, we come to the end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Take care and goodbye.